Good morning, this is ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for December 5th, 2011. First we're taking a look at the SPY, the S&P 500. You can see here, looking at the daily chart, coming into three levels of resistance. We have this one here around 127.50, 128, and then here around 129.50. So we did have a nice move up off this bottom, and we're going to continue to stay with this trend on the long side. But be prepared to watch for some pullback and possibly some selling over the next day or two. It might not happen today. You can see the last is at 126.60 area right here. So we are trying to gap up again this morning. But as you see here on Friday's session, we gapped up and then we sold down into it here. So may get a little bit more selling. Watch 127 as possible resistance this morning. If we do fail 127 or we get a weak break and then a fail of it, that could lead to that selling and a test back down to this 126, possibly even 125. So just stay alert. Again, we want to stay with the trend, but be prepared to switch positions and go more to the short side if you start to see that selling coming into these resistance levels. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First we have MAT. You can see resistance level here right around 29.12. We're going to look to take this long over 29.17. First profit target is going to be 29.46. So right about here, take some profit. Second profit target is going to be 29.75. And then trail the stop. See if you can push through 29.80 and then look for 30 as possible resistance at the end of that trade. Next we're looking at PGN. Resistance level here right around 54.38. Going to take this long over 54.44. So right about there. First profit target is going to be 54.98. So just under 55. Take some profit. See if you can push through 55. Next profit target is going to be 55.52. Right about there. And then trail the stop in the last piece and look for 56. Next we have SHW. Resistance level here around 86.85. Going to wait to take this long over 87.44. First profit target is going to be 88.31. Second profit target is going to be 89.18. And then trail the stop and try to go for 90 with the last piece. May fail a little bit early, but that's really where you're probably going to see a lot of resistances at 90. Our first short trade, we're looking at HSP. You can see support here right around 27.30 area, and then no more support until down around 26.90. So I think there's enough money here to take a short before hitting the lows from 11.29. So we're going to take this short under 27.26, right about there. First profit target is going to be right at 27. And then see if it can break through that 26.90, and second profit target is going to be 26.74. And then trail the stop on your last piece. See if it can break through 26.50, and ideally you're going to want to try to go for 26. Now we're looking at DNKN support right here, right around 24.40. Going to look to take this short under 24.27. So wait until it breaks there. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 24.03, so just over 24. Take that first profit target. See if it breaks through 24. Next profit target is going to be 23.78. Then trail the stop. See if you can come through 23.60 and look for 23.40 area on the last piece of that trade. And our last trade is BRCM. We're going to look to take this short under 29.23. First profit target is going to be 29. So a little bit early, but watch for support at 29. Wait for a break of 29. Second profit target is going to be 28.70. And then trail the stop. See if you can go through 28.50, and then maybe it can trend down into 28 area. I think you're going to find some support at 28 if it can get that low. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.